Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Nina's Kitchen. I am glad to have you back today, whether it's morning, noon, or night when you visit my video. But I want to say all my subscribers, all of my the new ones, the old ones, the supporters, and all, and my membership people. I appreciate you all. I'm coming on with this because I do appreciate you all wanting together. And so I want to thank you all right now before I come on and start my video. Okay, I will be reading to you Isaiah 44:24. The Lord, your Redeemer and Creator, says, I am the Lord who made all things. I alone stretches out the heavens. By myself I made the earth and everything in it. Isaiah 44, chapter 44, verse 24. Thank you so much. Now, today I'm going to do I'm getting ready to do a soup. I'm going to do a stew. I'm going to do a stew today. And I'm doing it I didn't have the beef. I have some sirloin steak that I've chopped up already. All right, so I'm going to be pouring that in. Okay. And I don't use the tap water, so I use I have in here 2 ounces of water right now. Oh, I forgot to turn it on. Okay. All right, so I have two 16-ounce bottles of water. And all right, so now I will be putting in my ingredients. This is tomato sauce. It's kind of like you can pour everything in at one time, so. Diced tomatoes. Okay. Okay. I'm going to be putting in these onions. I've already, and I have bell peppers. I didn't have a green bell pepper, so I'm putting yellow and red bell peppers in. All right. Okay. And I'm also going to be using the onion soup mix. Okay. Okay, one whole package. I'm going to be putting some complete. Onion powder. Garlic powder next. black pepper, okay, I'm going to put, this is only a half an onion. It's not a whole one. I thought about it. Because I had to have one, so I put the rest of the onion in there. So it helps to keep the flavor going. Okay. Now, I have here the meat cooked about 30 minutes, and I'm going to put a top on it. Then I'll be back to put my potatoes and the macaroni. And then I also have
peas and carrots,
and also my vegetable in there also. So now, okay, thank you. I'll be back shortly. 30 minutes, and get my top over here and put them. Okay, I'm putting just a little bit of sugar in it. You do it if you like. If you don't, well. All right, I'm putting my potatoes and the macaroni. The potatoes in, then I'll put the macaroni in after the potatoes cook about 5-10 minutes.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm putting a cup of macaroni in now. Now let that cook about 10 minutes. And I'll come back and put some vegetables in it.
All right, thank y'all. She'll let that cook 10 minutes and she'll put vegetables in there. Thank you.
I'm putting this vegetable in it. This is stir fried. I didn't have it, just a soup mix, vegetable mix. So this is all frozen vegetables. Okay. It's got broccoli and a whole lot of different vegetables in it. So. Look at them. No peas and everything in here. I'm also putting just a half a pack of peas and carrots in. Let me see, it tastes good.
And she also added, y'all, she had one of the little tiny cans of tomato paste also. Ounces. I hope you can see the ounces.
Be good. Very good.
Oh yeah, okay, y'all. We'll be back. Once we be back, it'll be done.
All right, I'm back with the final touches of my, I guess you would call my beef stew. That's what I have here. So I'm going to do my taste test. I love beef stew. Any time of the year, I don't care if it's 110 degrees. I like beef stew. I like stew, period. So I'm gonna, and I sure, like I said, have all these good vegetables in it. So then I have the little meat on top. So. Okay, there you go. A lot of time when you put the macaroni and potatoes in it, it sucks up your the fluid out, all the juice out of it. So, but anyway, I made me a little piece of cornbread to go with it. Okay. It is very delicious. Mrs. L. It is so good. Of course, today here in town it's 88 degrees, so it's not so bad. Mm, 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 mm. So very good. So whatever kind of meat you have, you can use it for a stew. I've had stew everything, neck bones and everything. So I thank you all for watching the video. Once you see it, it is a very good idea, and it's a very comfortable food because you have everything in it. It's all kind of vegetables in it. So I thank you so much with all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen with my pot of beef stew. Thank you so much. Goodbye.